Hello, this is a quick video to show how to draw on 3D object in Blender. This is the default scene in Blender. I delete the default object and I add a simple 3D object. Go to Add and Merge. I will add UV sphere. And then I will change it to X shape. I will go to Edit Mode and pick the vertex on the top and move upwards. And then go to the Move panel. We can use proportional editing. And then keep it in smooth and we can adjust the proportional size. Okay, if you think the shape is good, and then we can go to Object Mode. To make it smooth, we can go to Object and Shade Smooth. Before drawing on the 3D object, we need to add material and image texture on the object. We can go to Material Properties and add a new material. Then Principal BSDF looks is add. Go to Base Color and click the dot. We can choose Image Texture and then click the new. We can add the new image. I will name it to Shell Drawing. We can change the size, but I keep this setting and click OK. And then go to Texture Paint. We can see that the Excel drawing image is here. We can open the tool for drawing here. And then we can change the viewport of the 3D object. And we can see that the Excel drawing is in the black color. So we can change the color by using fill and pick another color, for example, purple, and fill the color. Or we can use the brush and change the color. I use eggshell color and brush it. Actually, we can brush on the 2D image or we can brush on the 3D object. We can change the brush size here. And we can change the brush size by using shortcuts, square brackets. And then we can add a new brush. I want to add noise brush. So I click it here and rename it to noise. I change the radius to 2 and go down to stroke. I will use spacing in 1%. In the getter units, I will use view and change getter into 100 pixel. And change the darken color. We can brush the noise on it. We can use the blending mode. I will use multiply. We can use linear blend. We can brush on the 3D object. And we can change it to lighten color. And change the blend mode to screen. And then I want to add another brush to draw on the eggshell. I call it draw. And then change the blend mode to max. And in the radius, I use 10 color. I will use black color. And in the stroke, I will change getter units to brush. And input samples, I will choose 15. And we can brush it. After completing the drawing, make sure that we go to Image and Save as the image texture. I click it and save it. So this is how we can draw on object in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Matt B. See you in the next video. Bye bye.